Hi, it's Toby here from Track Capital, and today I'm presenting to you an exclusive offering for you at Sir Barnes Wallis Court in Derbyshire. So we have free semi-detached, 3-bedroom freehold houses that have an office and study as well. But not only that, we have an exclusive incentive where we will cover your stamp duty, which is £6,900 for UK buyers. Obviously overseas buyers will be slightly more, but we will still honour and cover the £6,900. So really, really exciting stuff. The Pure Property Podcast, if you haven't checked it out yet, it is available on all major platforms, and it's where myself and Nick talk about all things property and property investment. So let's dive straight in here to the opportunity to own and invest in a fully complete 3-bedroom semi-detached property in this development. So a brief overview of our offering at Track Capital. We have direct to developer pricing. We offer exclusive incentives, no admin or sourcing fees. We're members of the Property Ombudsman Scheme. We offer an end-to-end solution, an after-sales service, impartial advice, and also referral fees. So if you know anybody that is looking to invest at the moment, please send them our way. Investment highlights for this opportunity here. So it's fully complete freehold houses priced at $230,000. They're 3-bedroom properties with a study and office. So forecasted for an incredible 5-year return on investment of 76%. It's located in Derbyshire, and as mentioned earlier, we have an exclusive incentive where we will cover your stamp duty of £6,900. This is an image of the internal of the show home. So these aren't CGIs, these are real life images. So you can see to the high standard they've been done, the finishing and how they look. It's a really great offering here. So an overview of Sir Barnes Wallis Court. It's a beautiful collection of classically built freehold houses, and it's located in the picturesque county of Derbyshire, and it's only half an hour away from the Peak District National Park. So offered fully complete, including decoration, etc., white goods, so ready to rent out straight away. 2 out of the 3 are already rented out. It's only the show home that hasn't got a tenant in, obviously, so people can have a look around it if needs be. So these stunning 3 bedrooms with study homes with an ensuite to the master as well are guaranteed to be a real hit with the tenants, and also if you ever come to sell in the future, again with home owner occupiers. Every house comes with the offering of the £6,900 stamp duty cover, and this development has a range of local amenities just minutes away and is close proximity to both local schools and the University of Derby. So it is an excellent residential option for families. So it really is low risk, as 2 of the 3 are already rented out. They're rented out for £1,050 per calendar month, so offer a very healthy yield. The developer has done a small boutique scheme, which means real attention to detail and a high spec and finish. Just so you know, if you were interested in purchasing the show home, there is the option to purchase it with the show home furniture that's in there as well. And if that is of interest, let us know. Let the sales consultant know that you're speaking to, and they'll be able to talk you through that. So about Derbyshire, it's located in the East Midlands and covers much of the Peak District National Park. It's home to a number of renowned and historic educational institutions, and the county is also perfectly situated when it comes to location and travel because of the M1 that connects the county to the rest of the country. And also you've got the rail network, which is extensive as well. Derbyshire is widely considered to be an excellent county to call home, with many residents choosing to stay for their entire lives, and also because of its location, obviously close to the Peak District National Park, Nottingham and Derby, it does offer the short let capability and prospect as well. So that may be an option if you're looking to really increase your yield further. The short let option, where you rent it out on a nightly basis instead of a monthly periodic basis on a normal tenancy, that can help generate much higher income if that's something you did want to do. And if you do want to do that, speak to us and we can help put you in touch with providers that will be able to manage the process for you. So more about Derbyshire. It's one of the UK's most popular counties for families, and this is evidenced by a strong and consistent demand for property. Savills are forecasting a healthy price growth of 11.7% by 2027. Great location. It's a picturesque county and it occupies the largest portion of the Peak District National Park. Its position near areas of outstanding natural beauty make it a prime location for short-term lets, as also previously mentioned. Strong transport network, so Derbyshire benefits from excellent rail networks and international travel links served by Manchester, East Midlands and Robin Hood, Doncaster, Sheffield airports, all of which are within 45 miles, so very accessible. Affordable quality, so the vast majority of residents in Derbyshire opt to stay there their whole lives. Even though it's popular and there's high demand, it's still about £60,000 below the average house price. So that's quite interesting. So the stats do actually point to this. The latest Home Track report showed volumes are ahead of pre-pandemic years in more affordable housing markets such as this, and this is because higher mortgage rates have less of an impact on demand in lower value markets. So we still see room for growth here, not only on the capital growth side but also the rental growth as well, because the demand is there. Employment opportunities. Derbyshire is currently going through a regeneration programme valued at £570 million, so that is going to transform the county over the next few years. So far, over 50 projects have been included in the programme, and they are aiming at opening up land for employment and improved travel infrastructure, which is going to help the local area, the economy, and in turn the property market. It's home to major employers, so you've got over 200 large private companies such as Rolls-Royce, Toyota Manufacturing, and there is a known link between the presence of larger employment centres and above average house price growth. So all these fundamentals that I've just mentioned make a very good case for why this opportunity is an excellent one for property investing. The location map here, so you'll see it's a minute away from the nearest convenience store, 2 minutes from the hospital, 2 minutes from the leisure centre, 2 minutes from a junior school, and only 18 minutes from the University of Derby. Interestingly, it's only just over half an hour from Nottingham and also the Peak District National Park. This is an example layout of one of the 3-bedroom semi-detached properties that we have for sale. And you can see on the right hand side some more images of the internals of the property. Financial forecast. So one of the most important things when you are wanting to invest in property. So if you are buying with a mortgage, we're looking at around $58,500 to purchase the property. That's deposit. Obviously, there's no stamp duty and your legal fee, and that's factoring in a 25% deposit. If you were buying cash, obviously it's slightly more. It'll be $231,000. But the saving that you are having with the stamp duty offering, obviously, is a massive, massive bonus to help with your return on investment. So the 5-year investment scenario shows that you will be looking over the 5-year period at a total return on investment of 76%. And if we break that down year by year, you've got an inflation-beating 15.2% annualized return on investment. So we know leaving money in the bank at the moment is crazy because it's just getting eaten away by inflation and you're losing money. So an income generating asset such as one of these semi-detached houses is an excellent way to make your money work very hard for you in the current climate. Here we have a graph showing the financial forecast as well over the 5 years, and this shows annual gross rental income and yield, and we see a nice steady rise here in this graph, and another nice upward trend that we like to see in the next graph for the 5-year financial forecast, and this shows property value and capital appreciation, and you can see a real nice upward trend, which is always good. Very, very positive. Frequently asked questions. Is it still under construction? No. This residential development's ready to go and ready to let. And if you get one of the ones with the tenants in, well, it's already let out for you. So completely de-risking this, which is excellent. Are they suitable for short-term lets? As we've mentioned that in this presentation, well, it's freehold, so there's no restrictions on what you do at the property. Is it mortgageable? Yes, mortgages have gone through on other houses in this development, so mortgages should be absolutely fine. And if you need to speak to a mortgage broker, let us know and we could put one in touch with you. So the investment booking process, if you decide you want to go ahead, the unit selection, which we can help with, or you could pick one out yourself. You'd pay a £2,000 reservation fee, pay 10% on exchange of contracts, and then you'd be looking to complete shortly after. You might have a simultaneous exchange and completion because these are built and ready to go. We do expect the standard turnaround of 28 days from reservation to exchange of contracts, so do bear that in mind. And also just to point out, the £2,000 reservation fee, that makes up part of your purchase price. We can help with anything you need: solicitors, mortgage broker, limited company formation, anything you need help with, let us know and we'll be happy to assist. Here's just some testimonials of previous clients. And lastly, here's our details if you want to get in touch to discuss this excellent investment opportunity further. One of the sales team will be happy to help, go through any questions you have, and if you do want to go ahead, take you through that whole process from start to finish. Can't stress enough, we don't get freehold properties like this very often. It's very, very rare that you have an opportunity like this. So this really is an excellent investment opportunity, plus the added bonus of the £6,900 stamp duty coverage, which reduces the capital needed to enter this investment as well. So if you are interested, please get in touch ASAP. I hope that's been helpful, and we look forward to speaking to you soon and helping you on your investment journey. Thank you.